Yeah. I'm just loving it, y'all. Loving the South. But hating them people come here and trashing this damn place. Hating people trashing the South, y'all. Look at all this. Yep. This ain't stuff that washed up. This is stuff that damn came from the river. Let me show y'all what I done picked up that I'm gonna have to take out of here that some children didn't have to see. Look at this. Look at this. This is what I'm cleaning up at the river, y'all, so children don't have to see. Freaking condom wrappers. Look at this bullshit. Yeah, this is what I'm picking up at the river, so the little kiddies who come down here and play don't have to see that. Yeah, just since I've been down here, found 2 condom wrappers, y'all. That's freaking bullshit. Some damn sick people out there. Damn litter bugs. Coming here and down, getting your rocks off. Can't even take your damn condom wrapper with you. One thing I know, that at least we can say that at least they plan on not reproducing. Hell yeah.